Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make beef shawarma. Not just any beef shawarma, I'm talking juicy, creamy and delicious shawarma like this. So don't go anywhere, stay glued and let's get started. You're going to need some beef. This is thinly sliced beef. So add some onions. I'm using blended onions because it has more flavor. You can use onion powder if you prefer. Here I have paprika, seasoning cubes, ginger, garlic powder and curry, and I'll pour it all in. Then I'll go in with some vegetable oil and use my hands to mix properly to make sure everything is well distributed and combined. Use a cling film to wrap properly and let it marinate for 30 minutes. You can marinate for 2 hours plus in the fridge if you are not in a hurry. Then we're going to make the shawarma cream. This cream is very important. If you get the cream right, you get the perfect shawarma. So add in your mayonnaise, then go in with ketchup. It's optional actually. I'll add a bit of paprika for more color, then I'll add milk. This is condensed milk mixed with evaporated milk. So I added some yaji for more spiciness. If you don't like spicy shawarma, you can skip the yaji, but I highly recommend. So go in with lemon juice and you're going to mix all together properly. You can add honey or sugar to sweeten, but I'm adding none of those because I already added condensed milk, which is already sweet. So our cream is all creamy and ready, so keep this aside. Our beef is done marinating, so it's time to cook. So add your beef to your pan and you're going to cook this. You can add some oil at this point and keep stirring. Beef cooks longer than chicken and we want to make sure it's properly cooked and it's releasing its juice already, so cover and let it cook completely. Don't add water. After a few minutes, open it up and we've still got some water left, so I'll let it to dry out completely. So check for softness, and if it's really soft, then you can take it off heat and let it cool down completely. Next, we're going to mix our vegetables with the cream. So add your cabbage, carrot and our beef into a bowl and go in with about 70% of your cream. Leave the rest for spreading. Then mix properly till all well combined. If you want the perfect shawarma, focus on the cream. Look how rich and creamy this shawarma filling look. So we're going to use this bread. It's called pita bread or shawarma bread. You can buy this from stores, which is way easier, or you can even make it yourself, which is even better. So I'll be using this one. So this is what it looks like. It has pockets, so I'll gently, carefully open it up like this. Be careful not to rip it apart because it can easily tear up. You can decide to not open it up and use it like that, but I find it easier to wrap my shawarma by opening up the pocket. So place one on the other like this. So I'll open another one up like this because I plan to use the two to wrap in case one isn't enough. So spread your cream like this, spread it all over your bread. Then add in your juicy, creamy filling. Please be generous with this also. You can decide to add sausage if you prefer. So you're going to wrap it up, fold it like this. This is how I wrap mine, okay? I find this method way easier. Guys, if you're buying your shawarma bread, please try to get fresh ones, okay? This was breaking apart while wrapping. So this one wrap is enough. It wrapped it up pretty well, so I won't have to use this second bread. So I'll spread my cream on the other bread and wrap it up also. Getting fresh bread is really advisable because it makes wrapping easier and stress-free. If your bread isn't fresh, it's going to keep breaking apart while you wrap it. And if you have no experience in wrapping, you might end up getting frustrated and it's really no fun wrapping with bread that keeps tearing apart. So we're done wrapping up and this is our beautiful looking shawarma. Wait, don't go anywhere. That's not the end. We're going to place it in a pan to toast this, or is it grill it? Well, let it get brown on each side and then you're going to flip over on the other side. Let the other side toast also. and then you can take it all out one after the other. So now our shawarma is all nice and ready. So let's cut this and see what it looks like. Look at that creamy and yummy looking shawarma. And it tastes so creamy, juicy, and absolutely delicious. Make this for you, your friends or family, and they will absolutely love you forever. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.